Hello, everyone. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Sharita, and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. I do all things home decor related, as well as vlogs and fashion. So, to my oldies but goodies, hey, I really missed you guys. I have been out for a while, dealing with the loss of my voice, so it's just now coming back. So I'm so excited to do this video today. I won't do much talking, as I mentioned my voice is still kind of out. So let's go ahead and get started. Today we'll be decorating the kitchen nook, as well as a little bit of cleaning. A lot of people have asked me what happened to our bookshelf. It is in the kitchen area. So here it is. I'm just jumping right in, cleaning it, and we'll move on from there. So I'll check back in with you guys later. I just want to jump in and let you know majority of the items you see on the bookshelf, I already had those items except for the bookends. Those are new purchases. I purchased them from Home Goods recently. I believe they were $17 each. And then towards the end of the video, you'll see me add 2 little birds. I purchased those from Tuesday morning. They were $6 each. But for the most part, I'll leave links to anything I have access to in the description for those of you who are interested. Also, unfortunately, this bookshelf is discontinued. It is discontinued by the manufacturer. I get so many questions about it, but you can achieve this same look with a closed-in bookshelf. I purchased 4 chairs similar to these. Here is a picture of them to the right. They're beautiful. I like the color. I actually love the color, but the seat is not deep enough. This seat is only 17 inches, and that's not going to work for chairs that I plan on using. So I purchased the 4. They sell them at Wayfair and Macy's. I sent them back, and I'm on the hunt. I've had some in mind that I like. They are quality chairs, so I'm going to go ahead and pull the plug and purchase those 4. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thank you for watching. I am so glad to be back with you guys. We have a lot of updating going on, so please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as you can see, I'm going back to ending my videos with lighting a candle. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a link to anything I have access to in the description. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.